Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Living the Dream with Somizi Season 5 Episode 1 kicked off with a bang, as in the first episode, Somizi listens to the audio of Mohale's allegations that he made against him for the first time and later called Vusinova to talk about the audios and those allegations. Vusinova stated that he knows everything that happens in Somizi's life and that when, for the first time, he heard those audios, he knew that Mohale was trying to sabotage Somizi. Somizi then told Vusinova that he wasn't shocked that Mohale went to the tabloids with lies to try and tarnish his name and that maybe they had paid him a lot of money which he couldn't refuse now, you guys. Somizi also mentioned seeing the red flags in Mohale but was always in denial, and that Mohale would always cause drama at his events and end up being angry and leaving him at those events alone now, you guys. Somizi also talked about how Mohale did not enjoy being intimate with him and that he once suggested other ways for Mohale to enjoy having sex, like going for sex counseling now, you guys. Somizi, however, denied the fisting issue. Vusinova told Somizi how he never liked Mohale because he could see that Mohale has had his own motives for being with him. He reminded Somizi that he always warned him about Mohale, but he never listened to him. Somizi's daughter Bahubi met up with her mother Palesa to talk about Mohale. Palesa mentioned how Mohale was controlling Somizi using his expensive cars, expensive designer bags that were meant for her daughter Bahumi. She and Bahumi mentioned how Somizi put Mohale first by paying for his lobola and neglected daughter Bahumi by not paying damages for her. Lucia Cooper, who is Somizi's best friend, told Somizi that she too warned him about his little toy boy Mohale, referred to Mohale even as an it. She also asked Somizi if he once hit Mohale, and Somizi could not answer, you guys. There you have it. That's my review for Season 5, Episode 1. Please hit the bell for notifications, subscribe. I'll definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much.